Just thought I'd shoot a quick little video of the fantastic new oriflame starter kit, which is £39, but you get about 60 odd pounds worth of products. Lovely little Swedish flag on there, very professional, very well put together. In there you just get one of the catalogues, and actually there's some flyers to go with the skincare, which you'll see in a second. You get a face mask. At the minute there's another Christmas catalogue, but this is getting shot at the beginning of September. So obviously if you're watching this in the future, there'll be different things in the kit. Explaining about the fast start bonus. Once you get 3 VIP customers who spend over £45, they get free delivery, they get into getting the free products, and also you get £50. So that's paid for your starter kit straight away, and the rest in profit after that. So what do you get in the kit? Well, you get 10 of each of the skincare samples. Skincare was a DSA award winning product last year. So the product's amazing. So you can let 10 people sample that, 10 people sample that one. You've got the skincare there to let people try. You've got the amazing perfume to let people have a little spray of it. You'll get loads of orders off that, and the mascara to demonstrate as well. So that's a fantastic starter kit. Make sure everybody sees this and sees what they're getting, and make sure everybody's looking for VIP customers to build the online customer base, apart from the offline customer base as well. Suggest you get a load of catalogues as well, because it always come in handy.